It's the magic of math here, and today we're talking about unit rates in the real world. $60 per hour, written as 60 times x. Here's our question today. A plumber charges a rate of $45 for each hour of work. We're asked to select from the drop-down menus to correctly complete the sentences. So because we're on a video, I've already got the drop-downs all opened up. So here we have an expression that represents the amount in dollars that the plumber will charge for X hours of work. And you're going to choose 45X or 45 add X. The second statement is at this rate, for 2 hours of work, the plumber will charge, and you have 3 answer choices here to pick from. So here's where you pause, do your best work, and then come back and hit play to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. So again, we're looking at a plumber who charges a rate of $45 for each hour of work. So we know that it's $45 per hour. In math, when we talk about the word per, we're going to replace that with multiply. So we're going to have $45 multiplied by the number of hours that they work. So for example, if you babysit, and you're going to earn $5 per hour, you're going to multiply the number of hours that you work by $5 to determine how much you're going to make. So here we go. Let's select from the drop-down menus to correctly complete the sentences. An expression that represents the amount in dollars that the plumber will charge for X hours of work. So we're using the variable X to represent the number of hours. So we know from up here that we're going to take the number 45 for the amount of money they make, and we're going to multiply by the number of hours. So here we're going to multiply by the number of hours, which we know is X. So 45 multiplied by X. And in algebra, the multiplication sign is invisible between the coefficient and the variable. So we have 45x as our solution. Let's look at the second statement. At this rate, for 2 hours of work, the plumber will charge. So now we're going to use our algebraic expression. So we're going to bring down our expression. For 2 hours of work, we're going to say our 45 times x. Our x now is not an unknown amount. We know that that x is 2 hours. So instead of x hours, we're going to replace x with 2. 45 times 2 is equal to 90. So we know that if the plumber works for 2 hours at $45 per hour, he will earn or she will earn $90 for those 2 hours. So there you have it. That is how we apply unit rate in our real world. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you come back soon and have a great day.